Hey everyone, welcome to 100% Financial Freedom YouTube channel, where we solve all your financial problems. Join us as we provide expert guidance and solutions to help you achieve financial independence. Make sure to stay and watch this video till the end to uncover valuable insights and strategies. Don't forget to hit the like button with a thumbs up to help YouTube recommend this video to more people, allowing us to reach and assist a wider audience. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin your journey towards financial freedom together. In today's IRS tax refund update, we will take a look at the latest developments as tax refund delays continue for many. Meanwhile, we will examine the latest round of tax refunds scheduled for release by the IRS this week, and one recommended option more of our viewers have been reporting as successful in getting a resolution for their delayed tax refunds over the last several weeks. We will also respond to viewer questions about specific letters many of them are receiving from the IRS as they continue to wait. The next round of tax refunds is scheduled to be released and transmitted by the IRS on May 8th, as confirmed by the refund status results seen here. If you are part of this latest refund batch, allow up until May 13th for it to post to your bank account before initiating a payment trace. As a reminder, refund status results do not always update even after the refund has been released, so it is always recommended to check your tax transcripts. For those viewers who still do not know how to access your tax transcripts, please watch our February 4th video for further instructions. The IRS has released their latest set of tax processing numbers, showing over 3 million unprocessed tax returns as of this recording, with only a decrease of around 60,000 returns since our latest update. If the IRS continues to process only 60,000 of these returns a week, it would take almost 1 year to completely clear out the remaining unprocessed tax returns. The IRS has not specified how many of these returns are e-filed returns or paper returns, nor whether this amount includes amended tax returns. Tax filers want a resolution to their ongoing delays, but IRS customer service representatives often cannot provide assistance other than instructing individuals to call back in 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. The taxpayer advocate is not accepting new cases until at least June, so options are very limited at this point. Recently, we have been recommending our viewers reach out to their local congressional representative's office for assistance. Over the last several weeks, we have heard from a number of viewers who have been able to get a resolution through this method. One viewer who filed on January 31st and experienced the 570 and 971 transcript codes reached out to their congressman and saw their transcript updated with a refund date about a week later. Another viewer reached out to their senator about an amended return accepted on February 20th and shortly thereafter reported a refund code appearing on their tax transcript. Yet another viewer, unable to get a resolution from their representative, contacted their senator and received approval the following week. These are just a few examples of viewers who found a resolution through their congressional representatives. We encourage viewers who have not done so to consider this option if still waiting on their tax refund. Your representative's office will send you a privacy release form to allow them to communicate with the IRS on your behalf. Many offices have staff specifically assigned to help constituents with tax issues. While each office operates differently, they can assist with your tax problems. If your congressional representative cannot help, consider reaching out to your senator. Unfortunately, due to ongoing issues with the IRS, tax filers must take further action on their own. We have also received multiple questions about notices sent by the IRS and what they mean. The CP05 notice commonly received this year means the IRS is reviewing your tax return, specifically related to income and tax withholding or tax credits claimed. No further action is necessary in this case, as the IRS needs additional time for the review. However, the CP05 notice indicates the IRS has found an issue with your tax return, such as incorrect reporting of income, withholdings, or tax credits, and they are requesting specific documentation to verify your entries. This could include W-2 or 1099 forms, pay statements, pay stubs, or for self-employment income, bank statements, and invoices. If you receive this notice, send the requested documentation to the IRS immediately to continue tax processing. Another commonly received notice is the 2644C letter, informing tax filers that the IRS needs an additional 60 days to work on the tax return due to waiting for tax information to be available on their system. This often means the IRS has not yet processed employer tax information needed to verify accuracy. Sometimes, the IRS requests you to submit specific wage information from W-2 and 1099 forms directly. If impacted, contact the IRS to see if this option is available and prepare necessary wage forms if you receive this letter. Let us know in the comments section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments. Make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe button for future updates on this channel. Thanks for watching. On today's IRS tax refund update, we will look at the latest developments, including the next round of tax refunds scheduled for release this week. We will also address ongoing tax refund delays affecting millions of tax filers, including many of our viewers, and discuss the top causes behind these delays. Additionally, we will cover a method of assistance that has been effective for many viewers recently and what to do in the case of a rejected tax refund. The next round of direct deposit tax refunds is scheduled for release on May 30th and May 31st, as confirmed by refund status results and tax transcripts. If you are part of this batch, while most will receive the deposit on the scheduled date, allow an additional 5 days for the refund to post to your bank account before initiating a payment trace with the IRS. The next batch of paper checks is scheduled to be mailed out on June 3rd. If you are among this batch, expect to receive it within 7 to 10 days, but wait 30 days for it to arrive before initiating a payment trace. The IRS has stopped weekly reporting of tax processing numbers, but as of the last update, approximately 2.7 million unprocessed tax returns remain. We estimate that these processing delays will continue well into the fall. Several top reasons behind tax refund delays have impacted many tax filers. One common issue is entry errors, also known as math errors, where the filer accidentally enters an incorrect amount on the tax return. This can be as simple as a single digit being off. 2 years ago, over 17 million tax returns contained errors needing IRS resolution. Another cause is additional review, identified by the 570 tax transcript code. This review can be random or due to discrepancies such as unmatched wages or claimed credits. Delays also occur when the IRS has not yet processed employer-reported tax information, which they use to match against tax return entries. Those affected may receive a 60-day notice from the IRS. ID verification causes significant delays, especially for those who filed early. The IRS sends notices for this, but they are not always received, leading to prolonged delays until the filer takes further action. Filers who submit paper returns experience the longest wait times because each return must be manually entered into the IRS system. Viewers report that contacting their congressional representative or senator's office has been helpful in resolving tax return delays. With IRS phone representatives often unable to provide resolution and the taxpayer advocate not taking new cases, this method seems the best option for assistance. To locate your local congressional representative, visit the official House of Representatives website. Some taxpayers experience issues where their direct deposit refund is sent to a closed bank account or an incorrect account listed on the tax return. This results in an 841 refund cancel code on the tax transcript, meaning the refund was returned to the IRS. The IRS will then mail a paper check, usually within 4 to 6 weeks. If you have not received your refund within 5 days of the 846 refund date code, contact the IRS to initiate a payment trace.